Are you still struggling to save money, even though you earn more than before? In 2026, saving money is not about cutting coffee or skipping fun. It's about smart systems, automation, and using the right tools. Today, I'll show you exactly how to save money in 2026 step by step. Hi everyone, welcome to Richer Guide. If you want practical money advice in simple language, you're in the right place. Let's start building wealth the smart way. Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you want simple, practical money advice that actually works, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the biggest saving and budgeting trends for 2026 and how you can use them to grow your money. Trend number 1: automated saving. In 2026, smart people don't save what's left. They save first. The moment salary comes in, money automatically moves to savings. Explain. Auto transfers. Round up savings. Why automation removes emotional spending. Budgeting apps in 2026 are smarter than ever. They track spending, analyze habits, and even warn you before overspending. AI tracking, category breakdown, monthly reports. Saving without a goal doesn't work. In 2026, people create separate savings buckets: emergency fund, travel fund, investment fund. Unexpected expenses are not surprises anymore. Smart savers keep at least 6 months of expenses saved. Why emergency fund is protection. High interest savings accounts, peace of mind factor. Zero-based budgeting means every rupee has a job. Income minus expenses equals zero. Planning before month starts, including savings in budget, intentional spending. In 2026, subscriptions silently eat your money. Streaming, apps, memberships. Track recurring payments, cancel unused ones. Save 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees monthly easily. UPI and digital payments make spending easy too easy. Micro spending habit, daily spending limit, weekly review habit. Here's the simple system: 10 minutes every Sunday. Check expenses, adjust next week's plan, review routine, tracking progress, small improvements. Let's recap how to save money in 2026. Automate savings. Use smart budgeting apps. Save with clear goals. Build emergency fund. Use zero-based budgeting. Cancel subscriptions. Track digital spending. Review weekly. Saving money in 2026 is about systems, not struggle. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for simple, powerful money strategies. Comment below which saving habit will you start this week. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching.